Lara Tijera from PT1C, and this is skin fold and caliper reading. So for our caliper reading, we should remember that we are going to pinch each skin fold side twice to 3 times. And then for our caliper, ito pong mga to, and dito. So ayan. Kung saan po itong maliit na zero na ito nakatapat, yun po yung minimum millimeter reading natin. So, for example, mag-move lang para mag-isa. For example, ito zero, is nakatapat siya sa may pangatlo, so it should be 3 mm. And para makount siya as a millimeter, dapat sumobra siya ng, malagpasan siya ng zero na line. And then, sa mga number naman po nakatabi ng zero na to, itong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hanggang dito sa 9, that should be counted as 0.10 each. And then, since this is 0.02 caliper, yung mga maliliit na mark is counted as 0.02, and then susunod 0.04, 0.06, 0.08, and so on and so forth. So, this is our volunteer po, and I already let her know na magiging masakit yung pag-pinch sa ilang areas for several times. There are 4 skin fold sites, and that includes triceps, abdominal, thigh, and sacroiliac. And I will put an X mark. So, we are going to measure the body fat of our volunteer in the right side of her body. So, for her triceps, it will be in here. For our abdominal side, it should be 5 centimeters to the right side of her navel. So this should be 5 centimeters. Oh, yes. For the suprailiac side, it should be 5 centimeters on top of the volunteer's iliac. So 5 centimeters. So for the thigh part or thigh side, on the anterior aspect of the right thigh, between the patella and the apical and the inguinal fold. So that should be in here. So for the first stage, abdominal side, pinch it vertically. And then lakad. Remember that when using the caliper, it should measure from the fingertip.
So the result of the first take in the abdominal side is 10.36 millimeters.
So for the second take of the abdominal side, we pinch it again vertically. Vertically. Ganun. Ayan, vertically. And then this caliper. So for the second take in the abdominal area, it is 10.40 millimeters.
So for our result in the abdominal side, the first take is 10.36 millimeters, while the second is 10.40 millimeters. And since it is within the difference of 1.0 millimeters, I didn't take a third measurement. So that's it for our caliper reading and measuring. Thank you for watching.